I think this might be the 8th one, I think. Had a nice pop. Starting to get a little dark, but anyways, here we are, 22nd day of July, 2023. So this one is kind of a cool one, Cutlass. There you go. There he goes. Here comes a nice little vehicle right here. There it is. That's nice. Continental. But yeah, that's the. I've been on that a few times, State Fair. So I might be able to get. I might be get one more out of this because no, it's cool. But 2 batteries. So it's fun. This is a lot better than the. I mean, I like the battery. Oh, is that another one over there? No. What is that over there? Oh, it's a Barracuda over there, I think. People are starting to pack up because it's starting to get rain. Oh, look at that bad boy. What's my vehicle doing out of my garage?
I don't know.
Keep telling you, you're going to take it. What year is this bad boy?
73.
People don't appreciate this. Trust me, people do not appreciate this vehicle. I know some do, but the real people, the real men do. A lot of people don't. Young kids are like, they probably think this is a, what's that one that Elon Musk makes? What's the vehicle he makes? Whatever the one he makes, Elon Musk.
Tesla?
Tesla. They probably think this is a Tesla.
I don't think this is a
Tesla. No, but I know, but my point is, they have no idea. That's my whole point. They more or less get a job on what a car is. And I don't have a driver's license in the first place. And they probably think it's worth about $1,000.
Yeah.
That's my whole point of the whole conversation. You know what I'm saying? They don't appreciate that you're saving history. You are.
And it's not my car, I'm just a caretaker.
Oh, wow.
I can't take it with me.
Well, put new license plates on it, go to Mexico. Who's got to know, huh? Speak Spanish cross border. Here's $1,000 of marijuana. Forgot about it, huh? Don't worry about it, huh? All right, he's going to take it away, huh? Keep it in my garage next time, huh? Tony Polito says don't worry.
Right now. It's just on
all right, there he goes. I'm going to jump in and take off. I'll see you guys all later, huh? Look at that bad boy, huh? Look at that bad boy. Look at that.
Is this your seat, Terry?
Whew. Nice. This is the carrot. Oh, look at that bad boy. I'd love to go over there closer, but there's music going on over there. I don't feel like going over there.
Good to be seeing it.
Look at that bad boy. See, rain's coming, so that's why they're starting to freak out. All kinds of music going on over there. So this is the corn place over here. But anyways, we're gonna cruise on over here. Little ZZ Top. That bad boy. Dude, it's a little, it's a, I gotta try to, I'm gonna try to cover my thing. I gotta try to cover it, so sorry about that. So try to cover it so you can't hear, don't get the all bummed out. So ZZ Top, but the slide's not going. Oh, here we go. Here's a. Oh my God, it's a gremlin. Look at this bad boy, huh? Look at that bad boy. Classic. A gremlin. Another 8. Oh, another javelin here. Mm-hmm. Oh, AC/DC. Look at that bad boy. I think it's a javelin. Thunder AMX. Look at that. Oh, look at this. Look at this bad boy. Look at that bad boy. It's 1970 Ford Torino. Oh, you're okay. Nice. Nice. What's my car doing out of my garage again? Oh, look at that. My God, you can You can put a whole family in when you go to the drive-in movie theater.
You good?
Put the kids in there, the dog, the cat.
There you go.
Got it, classic. Was this the same one that was in the movie or not, or close enough?
2 years older.
2 years older.
The movie was a 72.
Yeah, it's still a great movie, great car. Keep up alive. Oh, good song, you know. Thunder. But no help from you. Thunder. Oh yeah. Good song, Thunderstruck. Oh yeah, I'll guarantee it, it's gonna make me gonna share the You've Been Thunderstruck. Yeah, they're starting to move out of here. But we got over here, we got a there we go. We got a Caprice over here, it looks like. Chevy. Look at the Caprice, look at that bad boy. And then another 2-door. Looking at the new. I'll take your nothing to you. And then yeah, Thunderstruck. This one was for sale last time I was here. See if he's. I was in the. Yeah. Ooh. That was for sale last time. Yep, still for sale. 651-775, 18 grand. Lots of cars over there. Look at that bad boy, huh? Hey, caution for what? There's a classic Blazer. And thunder. Thunderstruck. Oh God. Is that a Granada? I had Mercury. So I had a. What did I have? Monarch. That's a classic. Is that an 81 that I had? Let me see. No. 1986 Chevy Monte Carlo. Strong. Oh, look, for sale. All kinds of cars over here. Over there, some more over there. That's why I started over there. Oh yeah, look at that boy. Look at that bad boy, huh? Thunderstruck. On an older vehicle right here. Oh, running with the devil. Yeah, run with the devil, baby. Yeah. Well. Wow. There they come. I walking on the middle of the road. Go ahead. Sorry about that, big shooter. No, go that way. Put the top down, baby girl. What the hell's wrong with you? Oh yeah, running with the devil. Running with your mother. Look at that, huh? That once so simple. All right, guys. So I think we've about had enough. Hope you enjoyed this fiasco of walking around. I'll see you all later. All right. See you later.